Hello everyone. This is the assignment solution for the cloud computing week 5. In this solution, few questions having little bit confusion. Though I try to solve the questions properly by considering all the parameters and the provided solutions and the guidance from the NPTEL lectures and tutorials. So question number 1, false. Question number 2, B. Question number 3, option number A. Question 4, C. Question 5, option A, C, D. Question 6, option A, B. Possibly there is option number D is correct, but because they mentioned in PPT option improved throughput, rather increased throughput, so I did not take. Question number 7. This question is completely out of the box of this tutorial. Though by searching from the respective uh, locations, I got the solution. A and D is the correct answer. This is an analogy based question, so you may please recheck it. Question 8, option C is possibly correct because A and B both cumulatively can solve the given question problem. So we can't go with A and B. So possibly option C is correct. 9 is true. And 10th number, B and C is correct. Thank you. Thank you so much.